fire to all. Today, our subject is fire generators 24/7. This is what we are going to talk about.
Я хочу сегодня поговорить с вами именно об этом.
How to maintain fire energy generator switched on 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. It is a very interesting topic, so let's discuss it.
Это очень такая интересная тема, о которой мы сейчас будем говорить.
Let's start from the beginning,
Давайте начнем с самого
from fire energy receiving.
энергии огня.
In fact, in order to make the generator burn
Генератор смог
and become a powerful, vibrating,
достаточно
pulsating fire heart chakra
вибрирующую,
that will emit and pour this fire
чакру,
onto everybody,
пускать и изливать на всех именно этот огонь.
in order to do this, you will need to do all these practices I told you about before. So you will need to expand the lists of the deceased to the fullest. The longer your list of the deceased will be, the stronger your anahata will burn. The more you will do phantom hugs practice with the living and with the deceased, the more you will feel and the easier it will be for fire energy to flow into your body during fire energy receiving.
Именно на приеме энергии огня.
And then there are our essences.
Сущности
They should become our guardian angels. I have already told you that any essence, absolutely any, with no exception,
без исключения
can be transformed from demonic into angelic one in 3 months or less.
в ангельскую максимум за 3 месяца. Это
3 months
самый
is the maximum
большой
term,
срок, который вообще,
and the minimum is 4 days.
конечно же, у всех будет
Terms are different for everyone,
информация.
but you need to know it. It can take only 4 days.
4 дня.
You can transform any essence for just 4 days from demonic coordinate system into angelic one.
В ангельскую.
But it is in case you are an advanced user of fire generator.
Генератора огня. Это
If your generator is in the full swing,
работает.
this is why you need to understand that all these parameters affect very much how your generator will work.
Параметры очень влияют на то, как у вас будет работать именно генератор.
During fire energy receiving, you will feel different sensations. Some of you won't feel anything at all at first, some of you will. It depends on your spiritual component in this life and previous lives. It depends on what diet you have. All this matters. Absolutely everything matters here. In what state you come to fire energy receiving. For instance, it doesn't matter if you have never done any practices before. You will get your personal guardian angel in 3 months anyway.
Месяца уже получит своего персонального ангела-хранителя. Это абсолютно.
This is for sure.
Вот.
And now here is a question. What do we need to do with the energy that we get during fire energy receiving?
Энергия огня.
Well, there is always an accumulative effect.
Эффект.
Only when the level of fire energy in our bodies is high enough,
Достаточно высокий уровень энергии огня.
only then anahata, it is like a small spark here in your heart, it will start burning step by step. At first, it will burn for only a minute after fire energy receiving, and then it will fade. Then it will burn for 2 minutes, then for 5, then 10, then an hour, then it will flicker during the day when you think merciful thoughts and make merciful intentions, and you will always feel anahata. It is your clue to communicating with God, your clue to positive coordinate system. When anahata ignites, it means that you have thought about something righteous and pleasant. You need to understand it. Any of your positive emotions strongly affect anahata, as well as your negative emotions. When you are just walking and your anahata is burning, and suddenly you catch a negative thought, in this very moment your anahata fades.
В ту же секунду анахата сразу же затухнет.
It fades right away.
Это некий
It is a kind of indicator of your inner state. Fire of God behaves no other way. It is a very pure vibration, the vibration of pure plus. In other words, the burning anahata, this fire of God inside you, it is the most merciful and the most cheerful state that you can ever get here on earth, because it is impossible to imagine what moment can be happier than when your fire generator is working.
Моментов, когда у человека работает именно огненный генератор, наверное, просто представить невозможно, потому что
Because it is the real connection to the source, to God. And it is happiness. It is happiness when someone hears you and someone is with you 24/7. And with the help of this practice, of which we have already talked, it is about talking to God. When your anahata works 24/7, it will help communicating with fire constantly, and not only during fire receiving.
4/7, она у вас и будет способствовать именно общению с огнем на постоянной основе, не только во время приема энергии огня.
We are moving right there. We're moving towards positive coordinate system to have the possibility of constant connection and constant dialogue with God with the help of fire energy generator.
И постоянный диалог с Богом.
This is the aim that we should reach, and then nobody will ever be able to lead you astray, because you will get answers, images, premonitions, sounds.
Видения, звуки.
You will see, hear, feel everything with the help of positive coordinate system and those gifts and new things that you will discover. In 2 months only, you won't recognize your life. This is for sure. Because your life will change completely, and even the people around you will change too, if you feed their essences. So now, we are standing on the verge of amazing discoveries that everyone, with no exception, will make. Everyone who wants it will discover a completely different world, a wonderful world, the world of your dreams and fantasies. Things that you couldn't even dream of before in negative coordinate system are just normal in positive coordinate system. And you need to understand that there are no rules in positive coordinate system. There are no rules at all. You need to know it. I will always remind you that there are no rules in positive coordinate system. Because when you find yourself in a state of full consciousness, you cannot do any harm to anybody. This is why we don't need any rules here, not a single one. We have already discussed the fact that there are major differences between negative and positive coordinate systems. Negative coordinate system controls everything, and positive coordinate system always gives the possibility to choose and just watches. What choice you will make? This is the difference. So, at present, we can see that everything that we are going to do, everything we are going to practice, any practices, any actions at all that are connected with the path to consciousness,
любые практики, любые вообще какие-то действия, связанные с именно дорогой к этой осознанности,
you always should base on these ideas, that you will always be given possibility to choose, and you will make choice yourself, with your freedom of will. This is what I wanted to tell you about today. So, fire to all!